2002 Sea Ray 280 Sundancer, presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales. It's powered by twin Mercruiser 4.3 liter MPIs, new manifolds and risers just done. Also powered by a 5 kW Kohler generator. Nice aft seat across the transom. Cockpit carpet is in like new shape. This folds out to a lounger off to the port side. Helm area has a new Garmin 7-inch touchscreen unit. Step down into the cabin. Off to the port side we have a nice dinette that converts down to another sleeping berth. And forward has a nice seating area, also comes equipped with a table there and also converts down to a sleeping area. Single burner cooktop stove, refrigerator freezer combo, microwave convection oven, 20-inch LED flat screen TV. New vacuum flush head system. To our aft cabin. The full enclosure is now stored back here with camper canvas in excellent condition. Twin 4.3 liter Mercruisers have about 240 hours on them. Windlass with foot controls up on the bow and remote spotlight. This is your 2002 Sea Ray 280 Sundancer presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales.